Hey guys, how's it going? Got a little project going on here in my shed. This is a 20 by 20. I call it a shed. You could call it a garage, but anyway. Adding a shelf here along one wall. I already got a 8 by 8 loft here in the back corner. So I use that for like off-season stuff. So currently it's still summer and there's winter stuff up there now. So then pretty soon here I'll put all the summer stuff up there. But I just need a little bit extra room. So this is about a 12-foot by 32-inch shelf. So I just use 2x6 on the outer part here. I doubled it up. I got 16 on center, and on this end I cut these 2x6s a little long, and then there's a couple 2x4s holding it up. And I got 1/2-inch OSB for the top, and on this end I will put a couple pieces of wood to hold this end up and connect it to this loft area. This is just temporary right now. And then from the shelf to the ceiling it'll be a couple feet. Alright, get a little bit more work done and I'll get you up to date. Alright, we're back. So got this shelf all wrapped up. Got the OSB on. Got these two support pieces on the end here. Some carriage bolts. I think altogether, with all the screws and lumber, I think it was just over $100, so it wasn't too bad, and this will provide a lot of extra storage. So hopefully this gave you some ideas for your garage or shed. If you liked it, please hit the like button, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching.